Basin Electric Power Cooperative is capturing the vast wind resources of the northern Great Plains. On its own and through partnerships with energy developers and marketers, Basin Electric's investment in wind continues to grow. In 2005, Basin Electric's membership passed a resolution setting a goal for the cooperative to develop green and renewable generation capacity equal to at least 10% of the cooperative's peak member demand. That goal has been achieved. In fact, double. And the cooperative continues building on one of the region's largest wind portfolios. You're about to tour history-making wind projects near Minot, North Dakota. They're owned by a subsidiary of Basin Electric Power Cooperative called PrairieWinds ND Incorporated. There are 80 new turbines in these projects, joining 2 older turbines from a project back in 2002. The turbines are spread out over 25,000 acres, but each turbine requires less than 1 acre of land. Each turbine stands about 20 feet taller than the North Dakota State Capitol building in Bismarck. The box on top of the tubular tower is called a nacelle. It's big enough to easily fit a full-size pickup inside of it. Each turbine has 3 blades. When the blades are spinning at top speed, about 20 to 25 revolutions a minute, the tips of the blades are moving at more than 150 miles an hour. The turbines can operate in winds up to 54 miles an hour. As wind speeds pick up or let down, the blades feather or turn slightly to capture as much wind energy as possible. The turbines have sensors that constantly detect wind speed and direction. If you want to know which way the wind is blowing, look at a wind turbine. The blades will always be facing right into the wind. All the turbines in a wind project feed into a collector substation through an underground network of power cables. When running at full capacity, the wind turbines in these projects produce enough electricity for 98,000 homes. That's enough power for the residents of Bismarck and Minot combined. Because the wind doesn't blow all the time, a wind project is considered successful if it produces 30% of its full rated capacity. These projects are expected to get about 40%, an amazing achievement. That's enough to power about 39,000 homes on an annual average basis. Construction on the 80 new turbines started in August of 2009, and by New Year's Eve, the projects were operating. Crews often worked 24 hours a day in harsh weather conditions to get these projects on the grid and making electricity. In total, the projects cost roughly $250 million to build. There are 8 full-time operations and maintenance employees dedicated to these projects. Their schedule takes them to the top of about 2 turbines every day. Basin Electric's commitment to renewable energy starts with our membership, the people who use the electricity we produce. Thank you for visiting. To assist in the economics of renewable generation, the renewable energy credits, also known as green tags, are used to meet member purchases, regulatory needs, or sold to third parties. Basin Electric markets some of its green tags and sells some of its renewable energy to the Western Area Power Administration. For more information, visit Basin Electric on the World Wide Web. Its address is www.basinelectric.com.